Hello guys, I'm back with my new video related to SwiftCut and Solidworks. This tutorial teaches you how and where to use SwiftCut in your design. SwiftCut is mainly used to cut a solid model or path by sweeping a completely closed profile along an open or closed path. The sweep uses a minimum of two separate entities, a profile and a path. Also, a guide curves sometimes can be used to control the shape. SwiftCut can be used to create thread on shaft and those cuts with normal cut like extrude cut can't do. This feature cuts along the path. If you need a cut in the path that you define, or whether circular cut or rectangular, then the SwiftCut is for you. The closed or open path with maybe a line or helix or circle, rectangle, or arc. The use of this feature is similar to SwiftBoss or Base, but only the difference is that the SwiftCut removes materials and SwiftBoss adds solid materials to the body of design. So as I have already told that SwiftCut can be used to make threads on shaft like this one here. I have made a thread of circular profile, not actually the threads are made from the triangular profile. Here I have used a circular profile to make a cut or threads on the shaft. The main idea is to teach you where to use a SwiftCut. So we'll use a circular profile here. And then we'll start. I'm going to go to top plane and sketch. We'll start making shaft here. So to make shaft, we need a circle of dimension. I'll make dimension here 40 mm diameter, and go to features, extrude up to 100 mm. Okay. Now my shaft is ready. The next thing I'm going to do is to make a chamfer, because chamfer is needed while making thread in shaft. So before doing chamfer, I want to sketch one thing here. I want to convert this circle here, because while introducing cuts, I have to introduce helix curves, helix and spiral curve to make cut, to define a profile for a cut. So they are going to start from a circular arc or the face. So I'm going to click this one, and this one is converted, and we'll come to this face. Okay, exit, and we'll go to chamfer this face 5 mm 45 degree. It's okay. Oh, you can see here chamfer. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to introduce curves, most probably helical and spiral. So click this, click on the circle you have just converted, and I have already made measurements here. Pitch key 4 mm and revolution 20, and the most important thing is start angle. You keep 0 degree here. So our path is ready. The final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define a path for the cut here. So we'll do it by in front plane. Okay, I have already told we will use a circular profile for a cut, and put dimension here. I think then is going to be fine. So the next thing we are going is to directly SwiftCut. We'll start, and therefore select this path. It's processing, so wait for it. I think it can't be done because the circle hasn't made the curve yet. So Oh, I have already made a mistake here. Just cancel this. Yes, I'm going to make one again, a profile here. So I'll make, so I have made one circle here and put dimension of, mm, okay, sorry. So we'll start swift cut here. This gets it, and the path is this, the helical curve. Now you can see our cut is ready. So this is our cut. I have already told Swift cut feature is very useful for making threads, both internal and external, on solid surface, like nuts and bolts, making groups on the surface of the body, cutting holes, complex groups or shapes, etc. Um, Complex shape like this one, we can't do it using a normal cut. So we need Swift cut there, and this one, and this finally. This is the thread. We To use to make this type of thread, we have to use Swift cut. So finally, you can hide this one, helix and spiral. You can hide this, and you can see here cut. This is the thread I have created using circular profile. I think you have enjoyed my video. So if you really enjoyed, and then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for brand new video every week. Thank you for watching.